Okay, picture this for a second. You're on a beach, maybe somewhere in Thailand. The Wi-Fi is, well, let's be honest, it's not great. But your business, it's running itself. It's doing research, it's writing content, it's even publishing it for you. Now, that's not some far-off dream. It's exactly what a well-built, autonomous AI team can do. But yeah, getting there can be tricky. So, let's dive into the blueprint that actually works. So if you've ever tried to build an AI workforce, this quote probably hits a little too close to home, right? The promise is always this team of super smart agents, all working together perfectly. But the reality for so many people, it's just a complete mess of errors, crazy complexity, and systems that just break the second you look away. We've all seen the flashy demos, but running this stuff in the real world is a whole different ballgame. So what does that failure actually look like? Well, it looks like this. 47 minutes. That is how long one of my early agents got stuck in a loop, basically just chasing its own tail and doing absolutely nothing. It was literally just passing the same task back and forth, burning through my resources without producing a single useful word. And you know, that 47-minute loop wasn't just a waste of my time. It had a real, tangible cost. $23 in API tokens, that's the stuff you use to pay for the AI to do its work, just gone, vanished, for absolute junk. This is the hidden tax you pay for a badly designed system. It just quietly bleeds your budget dry while you think it's out there working for you. But this one was the most painful failure of all. A completely hallucinated, totally made-up product comparison that was confidently sent out to a real customer. And the results? A very confused client and, you guessed it, a $412 refund request. This is the moment that automation dream turns into a damage control nightmare. So how do we stop this from ever happening? Well, the fix isn't about finding some smarter AI. It's about a fundamental shift in our mindset. We have to stop thinking like we're hiring individual employees and start acting like we're architecting a system. Believe me, the structure is way more important than any singular agent. Just think of it like this, right? Throwing more AI agents at a problem is kind of like throwing more coders at a software project that's already late. Without a clear manager, without a defined workflow, you don't get progress. You just get more confusion, more noise, and pretty much zero results. It's just chaos. So what's the golden rule here? Start with 3. That's it. A maximum of 3 agents. Seriously. Any more than that when you're just starting out, and all the effort of coordinating them starts to completely cancel out the benefits. You want to get a small, stable team of 3 working perfectly before you even think about adding a 4th. All right, let's get into the good stuff. We're going to build this thing out. I'm going to show you the step-by-step actionable blueprint that you can literally set up this weekend to get your own autonomous AI team up and running. We're going to walk through the exact stock piece by piece. So our system, it's got 5 core parts. Let's think of it this way. Make.com, that's your project manager. CrewAI, that's your team of specialists. Firecrawl is their dedicated research assistant. A virtual private server, or a VPS, that's the 24/7 office where they do all the work. And finally, you're the CEO, giving that final sign-off. Okay, first up, the orchestrator. Make.com is the no-code glue that holds this entire operation together. And you don't need to be a coding genius for this. You can literally drag and drop to map out your workflow. A trigger starts a research task, the result of that goes to your content agent, and the final draft lands right in your inbox for a simple yes or no approval from you. Next, you build your specialist crew. We use a framework like CrewAI for this. This is where you define the actual jobs. So you'll create a researcher agent whose only job is to gather information. Then a writer agent who takes that research and turns it into an article. And maybe an SEO agent who comes in at the end and optimizes it. The key is each one has one job, and they get really good at it. Now listen up, because this part is absolutely non-negotiable. Inside your CrewAI code, you have to set this thing called max iter, which is short for maximum iterations. This basically tells an agent, hey, you get 4 tries to finish this task, and that's it, no more. This one little line of code is your emergency brake. It makes it mathematically impossible for an agent to get stuck in one of those costly infinite loops. Look, your agents are only as smart as the data you feed them. That's where a tool like Firecrawl comes in. It is a total game changer. It can scrape any website and turn all that messy HTML code into clean, structured text. This means your researcher agent isn't fighting with website code. It's reading clean data, which just dramatically boosts the quality of its work. And this right here, this is one of the biggest mistakes that nomads make. You cannot run an autonomous business from your laptop. It's just not going to work. The second it goes to sleep or that cafe Wi-Fi drops out, your whole workflow just dies. The solution is a super cheap, like $4 a month virtual private server. It's basically a computer that lives in the cloud and runs 24/7, making sure your agents finish their jobs no matter where you are or what your internet connection is doing.
All right, for the final touches, you always got to have a backup plan for your internet. An eSIM, like Airlo, gives you a data plan you can turn on instantly if your main connection fails. Then, for the output, you can connect your system to the Canva API to automatically create blog banners and even hook it up to 11 Labs to generate audio versions of your articles. It becomes fully automated, from research all the way to multimedia content.
Okay, so you've built the system. That's great. Now, how do we make sure it doesn't break? Let's do a quick run through of the most common failures and exactly how you can bulletproof your setup against them. These two right here, these are the silent killers of any multi-agent system. You've got infinite loops, where agents just pass a task back and forth forever, burning through your money. And then there's context overflow, which is where the AI's short-term memory just gets overloaded and it starts spitting out nonsense and errors. The fix is a pretty simple 3-part safety net. First, like we already covered, set that hard iteration cap. Max iter equals 4. Do it. Second, instead of having agents pass long streams of text to each other in memory, have one agent write its output to a simple file, and then the next agent reads from that file. This keeps the memory clean. And third, and I can't stress this enough, always add a human approval gate in make.com before anything goes live. A single click from your phone can save you from a massive headache. So after all that, what is the payoff? What do you get for all this work? Well, you get a ridiculously powerful autonomous business engine. And the cost is probably going to surprise you. Let's actually break down the numbers. Your orchestrator, make.com, that's about $9 a month. The CrewAI framework, totally free. Firecrawl for all your research can be free, or maybe up to $15 depending on your usage. And that always-on server we talked about, just $4. So all in, you're looking at a grand total of around $35 a month for a system that can do the work of a part-time employee. It's insane. Now, let's be real for a second. This isn't just instant magic. The person who wrote this is really clear. You should expect to spend the first 2 weeks pretty actively building, testing, and fixing stuff. But once you get through that initial setup, your workload just plummets to a few hours a week of just keeping an eye on things. Your AI crew really does handle the other 95%. And that, right there, is the whole point. You've basically built yourself a remote team that works around the clock, never gets sick, never asks for a vacation, and its entire monthly salary is less than what you'd spend on a single nice meal out. For any solo entrepreneur or digital nomad, that is a complete game changer. So the blueprint is right here. You've got the tools, you have the architecture, and you have the safeguards to do it right. The only question left is, what are you going to build? Think about that one annoying, repetitive task that just eats up your time every single week. That's the first thing your new AI team is going to take off your plate. Forever.